guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today's video is going to be about summertime hair care. Especially for all those of you who tend to sweat a lot. The sweat can accumulate on your scalp which leads to itching, and when you itch on your scalp, have you seen that dirty disgusting thing that just comes and sticks inside your nails? That's very bad. It's a kind of dandruff. It's a fungal infection called malassezia, and it can also lead to forehead acne apart from hair fall. So yes, summertime hair care is a slightly tricky subject. But today I'll be sharing with you a quick DIY and some tips and tricks. So please watch this video till the end. Even if you don't want to try the DIY, by the end of the video you will definitely learn something which will help you during the summer months. So let's start with the DIY first. For this you will need some neem powder. If you don't have neem powder, you can use neem oil. You can also make neem powder at home. It's actually very simple to make. I'll just quickly tell you before proceeding with the DIY. To make neem powder, just take some neem leaves, dry it. Don't dry it in the sunlight because then dust, pollution and everything, you don't want all that to get mixed with your neem powder. So take some neem leaves and dry it in a microwave. Okay, leave it in the microwave for about 1 minute. You won't even have to leave it for 1 minute, I think. And when you take it out, you'll see that the neem leaves are extremely hard. So you can just crush it and there you have it, your neem powder, okay? Otherwise, you can just buy it online like I did. I'll put all the links in the description box below. So going back to the DIY, first you'll take some neem powder, which is great for scalp cleansing and for your scalp health. To this, we're gonna add some Rita Sud powder. So Rita Sud powder has a pH balancing property. It's great for dealing with dandruff and it's extremely cleansing for your hair and scalp. To this, we're gonna add lots of curd, which also has cooling properties apart from cleansing properties. And to this, mix a little bit of water to make a nice fine paste. For all those of you who have an extreme bad case of hair itching and fungal infections, you can also add 1 or 2 drops of lemon essential oil or simply lemon juice. Just 1 or 2 drops should be enough. Mix all the ingredients really well, apply it all over your hair and especially on your scalp, and leave this on for about 40 to 60 minutes. Yes, you have to leave this mixture on for a while, but depending on your patience, at the most you can leave it for 1 hour as well. Once you're done washing it all off, by the way guys, talking about the shampoo, you can use any shampoo that works for you, to be very honest. If you think that there's a shampoo which you've discovered that you love, just continue using that. If you want recommendations, my one recommendation would be the Head and Shoulders Cool Menthol Shampoo. It's very good for scalp infections, for scalp cooling, and especially during the summer months, I think it's a very, very good shampoo. Also for those people who have dandruff problems. Another shampoo recommendation which I have is the Licorice Shampoo from Good Vibes. Now this one is again great for scalp cleansing. It also contains cucumber extracts, which also helps in scalp cooling. So you can figure out your different shampoo options. Again, I'll put the links in the description box below if you want to check it out. And yes, after shampoo and conditioning your hair, the most important tip of all, if you tend to sweat a lot, you have to start shampooing your hair more regularly. For example, a lot of people might say that don't shampoo more than twice a week. But guys, here's the problem with that, okay? If you're constantly sweating and if you constantly have a lot of sweat and dirt accumulating on your scalp, that's not good. It's better to shampoo your hair every alternate day also if required. Not necessary for everyone, but not everyone, but if required, shampoo your hair every alternate day during the summer months. And if you think your hair is not feeling very dry and fizzy, you can reduce the number of times you oil your hair during the summer months. Instead of oiling your hair that often, instead, because oil can also be very heavy on your scalp, right? So you don't want that. And instead of oiling your hair every single time before you shampoo your hair, start using a scalp lotion with ZPTO. I'll put the name in the description box below as well. ZPTO is a very, very good formula for dealing with fungal infections, for dealing with malassezia, the dandruff, and for just keeping your scalp clean. There is this scalp lotion from Derm Doc which contains ZPTO. It's absolutely brilliant. It's a very lightweight formula. You just have to apply this to your scalp, leave it on for a couple of hours, and just wash it off regularly with your shampoo, and then use your conditioner and everything. So guys, these are a few tips that I want to share with you all today. The bottom line is keep your scalp clean. Don't oil your hair too much if it's not necessary. See, everybody's hair is different. If you feel that your hair is too frizzy and your scalp is feeling dry, then you have to oil more regularly. Otherwise, oiling once or twice a month is also enough during the summer months. Shampoo every alternate day if required. If not required, shampoo as per your regular schedule. And use this DIY whenever you get a chance to. It's extremely natural. It helps with scalp cleansing. So once you start doing all this, guys, it also improves your hair health, reduces hair fall, and you also start feeling lighter in your head, right? Because if you're constantly feeling itchy and irritated in your head, how are you supposed to concentrate on what you're doing if there's so much going on already on top of your scalp, right? So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications guys, and keep coming back to Superstyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.